My name is Rick White from 180 Biz, and this is my Just One Thing. What I want to talk about today is comebacks. We all want clients to come back, just not too soon, and not definitely for the same problem. But it happens. I want to talk about the normal reactions and then a better reaction. So, the normal reaction is you see somebody walking in that was just in the last day or two, and you think, oh crap, especially if they got their angry face on and they're walking a little quicker and you can see clearly that they're agitated and upset. And you're thinking, oh crap, I don't need this. I don't have time for this. And this is a great way to start the day. Some clients, when they come back, they are so nice. They're so understanding. And they go, hey, I'm really sorry to bother you, but there's still a problem. See if you can help me fix it. And then you wake up because usually what happens is the client comes in, they're upset. And there's a lot of reasons why they're upset. They're upset because they don't have time for it. They're upset because they feel like maybe I got taken advantage of. They're upset because they're wondering if they brought it to the right place. They're upset because they didn't maybe go someplace else. These are all different things that they're going to be upset about. They're upset it's going to cost them more money. They're upset that you don't know what you're doing. I mean, there's so many different things going on emotionally inside their bodies right now. And the very worst thing you can do is be logical or defensive. Yes, it's easy to react. Yes, it's easy to just go, oh crap, and then resonate that. And you don't have to resonate it with your words. You're going to resonate it with your body language, with your tone, man, your emotions. We're real good at picking up other people's emotions. So trust me, they're on full alert. I'm just going to ask a simple question. When you're reacting that way, who are you focusing on? Not another comeback. I don't have time for this. There's a guy out today. What am I going to do? We're focused on us. All of a sudden, you're thinking, oh crap, what is this going to cost me? That is an absolute wrong way to engage this person because they're upset. You've all been in this situation where you were the client or the customer and you had a problem, right? I'm having one right now with Verizon. Verizon Wireless, I just want to grab them and, ugh. Nobody's putting themselves in my shoes. So what I want you to do when you see them coming in, there's two things I want you to do. Number one, write this down. It's super simple, but it's easy to forget. Expect the best. Expect the best. Maybe they're coming in to thank you for the work that you've done, to thank you and let you know how much better their car is running. But I've had it happen where I got myself all worked up about a comeback, and then all of a sudden, bam, they come in and they're like, oh, Rick, thank you so much. This thing was awesome. It's never run this good. It is just amazing. That is awesome when it happens. Once you expect the best and you get hit with the maelstrom, the storm of emotions, all I want you to think about is, how would I feel? If that was me, how would I feel? Stay focused on them with some compassion, caring, and empathy. And understand, listen to them, ask them to clarify, let them get upset. And the most important thing you can do is, I understand you're upset. I would be too. And guess what? We're going to take care of this for you. We're going to make it right. Let them get upset. Reassure them. Listen, I'm so sorry you're going through this. We're going to do right by you. Right? Some of our best clients have been clients that have had a problem and then been able to see how quickly we respond to it and take care of them. Another way to say it is this: it's easy to do business with a company when everything's going right. Watch what we do when something goes wrong. because that's when the true colors of a company shows up, don't they? And that's what you really want to get across is that you're there to help them. You're going to take care of this for them. Take away as much pain as you can. Do you need a loan or do you need a rental? We'll do whatever we've got to do. In the beginning, do not automatically assume responsibility. Let me give you an example. Somebody had a check engine light. It was running rough and you found a bad coil, you fixed it. 6 months later they come back, I got the same problem. What's that? My check engine light's on. Check engine light's actually a symptom, not the problem. So we're going to talk about that. And this all comes down to your communication and documentation. But don't automatically assume responsibility. Listen, care, be there to help. Let them know this has got anything to do with the work we've done. We are 100% going to stand behind it. End of story. I want you to prioritize them. Let them know you're going to push a car out. You're going to get them right in. You're going to take care of them. We're going to love you. You're going to love what we do. And we're going to make this right as quickly as possible. Number one, expect the best. Number two, don't assume responsibility. Make it all about them. Please share this video. My name is Rick White from 180 Biz. God bless. Stay safe. Have fun. And go make some money. See you later.